Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Tamilnadu Newsprint in Paper Limited. TNPL is the ticker name and you are watching the monthly technical chart of TNPL, and this is the historical price chart, and here each candle represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now if you look at the historical path pattern of the stock, it's very clear that the stock, that this particular stock is very much into sideway movement for a long period of time. And but however, it is like it started moving in the upward direction, consistently making new highs, which you can clearly see here. And again, after October 2016, it broke into a sideway movement, and still it is under the influence of the same movement. And actually, it is facing some sort of price resistance barrier here at 395. Okay, so that is the reason every time it is going there and bumping down, going there, bumping down, and again it is on its path towards that same price. Okay, today the stock is trading at a 381, and we hope that 381, okay, 397 it is facing, I think, some sort of a resistance. 387, I think 387 it is facing some sort of resistance. So let's see this time whether it will cross it, and whether the stock has that much strength to cross it or not. Okay, now the stock has already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average, and it is under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. And the relative strength of the stock is average. Direction strength is going down, and the stochastics is okay, showing the positive trend, but it is at an average this thing, it is not at the benchmark level. Momentum is again below average. Balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other and are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase, and Kopak curve is lacking strength, it is losing strength actually, and it is going down, but still it is showing the stock is in the buy zone. Okay, we are getting mixed signals here, and except for the RSI, which is looking in the upward direction, and if you look at the tip of the RSI, which is moving, where we can clearly see that the tip is moving towards 80 line. Apart and stochastics also showing the similar kind of signs, and showing that and is in sync with the price rising trend of the stock. We are not, for example, other indicators are not at the same level. Why? Because the momentum, if you look at, it is though it is looking upward direction, but it is just playing on top of the baseline, and it is not up to the mark. Actually, it is very low, and we cannot take into consideration. So all the critical parameters are down, and direction strength is actually converging. And no, this is one particular point which we have to consider. Why? Because if right now the direction strength means here the direction is in the upward side, and if this trend, if this direction, if the strength of that particular direction is down, means the stock don't have the strength to move in the upward direction. So as per me, based on the guiding points, signals given by the thrown by the guiding points, it looks like this time also it will come down. It will hit that same price resistance barrier and it will come down. It seems that the stock don't have that much strength to bypass it. Let's see. To overcome it. Let's see. So considering all these things, I think this stock can be considered only for short-term investment. So we will come back to the stock later after a few days, and then we will redo the analysis based on the new points. But until then, the stock can be considered only for only for short-term investment. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.